Hello, I'm Suraj. In this video, we are going to explore one online shopping application, which is nothing but a Elec shopping. The name of this application. Why it is useful for customer? Because if the customer wants to order any electronic items online, they can simply order and deliver on that will deliver on their address. So that's why we use this application. And I made this application by using a Canvas app and Excel as a data source. We are fetching all the Excel data from OneDrive storage. This application is with a set of features that facilitates a buyer's a journey, deliver a great user experience, and ensure that making a purchase of electronic items very smoothly and easy. So that's why we use this application. So there are two modules. One is admin and another is user. So we will see admin panel later on. First, we will see user. So if the user is new in this application, he has to register first. So here is a register option. He has to update. He needs to input all the fields: username, name, contact, and password. And when he hits that register button, he will get registered, and he can further proceed with the login. I've already registered one user, so I'm going to log in with that credentials. Fine. If I enter any wrong credential, it will show the error that invalid login details. We have to pass correct credentials. So yeah, that is this is the home screen of Elec Shopping. Here are the list of items available there. On the left hand side, you can see some features and help and settings which user can use. On the top side, you can see a user name, which is nothing but a session of the user, and on the right hand side a cart icon there. So in this it is a count of items that are available into our cart. So when we see into our cart, there are no available items there. It is showing that your cart is empty. We didn't add any item into our cart. So for that, we need to add an item. Before that, when here is a in stock message there, which shows that this item is in stock, and this item, as you can see, out of stock. We cannot order this item. So when we say that I need to order this item, so it will show only one left in stock. So when we say I want uh, two quantity of this product. So when we say that, it will show the error: selected quantity not available, because only one left in stock. So when we say okay, it doesn't matter, I will order one item. So it will get fluctuated here. So it will get updated like this. And now it is showing that out of stock only one item was there. Now I added this item into our cart, and now this is showing out of stock. If the user wants to see the review of this product, he can click on that see review, and all the reviews of this product are shown here. And this is the overall rating and review of this product. So you can see that. And when we move on to our cart, we will see that one item is added into our cart. If we want to add any more item, like we say AC, okay, fine. So it will get updated. Okay, fine. Now it is updated. So as you can see, two items are there into our cart now, and it is the same amount shown here, um, 14,397, and with excluding taxes. When we proceed with the checkout, then we will get a GST also. Then that grand total. For that, we now going to checkout. Fine. So it will show all the total amounts, grand total amount, by calculating the 12% GST into that total. So it is showing grand total amount. If the user wants to make edit in their shipment address, he can do so by using this field. um, I'm keeping this as it is because I don't want to change it right now, and selecting a state and city. Fine. So we are going on to payment option. Okay, so for that the payment mode is online, and card, select card as a debit card. These are the payment details you have to enter. Okay, and the expiry date. Fine. So we are paying that now. So amount paid successfully. Now it's showing that download invoice. If the user want to download invoice, he can do so by clicking on that. So it is showing the information message that the invoice sent to your contact number and email ID also. So you will get an invoice on your SMS or email also. So there is an invoice. If user wants to download uh, this invoice into local drive, he can do so by clicking on that print option. Or these are the details: order ID is fine, and payment mode. We turn this payment online, and these are the shipping address. Fine, and these are the list of items that we ordered, sorry. And it is showing the total amount and the GST, and which is get calculated in brand total. So it is showing 16,124. Okay, fine. So if user wants to print this invoice into local drive, we can click on that print icon and save this into local. Okay, now we are moving on to home screen. Fine. So now you will see. Now we'll see that now our cart is got empty, and there are no items available into our cart because we already ordered that cart items. So it will move updated at 0 now. So if the user wants to see the previously order details, he can click on that, and if he wants to make a review for any specific item, he can also do that. So if that user wants to write a product review, you can click on that basically. So these are the product which are previously ordered by the same user. Okay, now we are going to add rating, making a review for the specific product. Quality is nice. Recommend to buy. Okay, so we are submitting on that this review. Fine. So now you can see it is gone disabled because the same user for the same product cannot write multiple reviews for the product. So that's why this is now get disabled. Thank you for your valuable review. It is showing a message that we are going to see that if that review is saved or not. Right now it is here. So it is showing the overall review of this product, rating of this product. Fine. So if the user wants to manage his account, so he can click on that my account option. Fine. So it is showing all the details that he has already saved before. So he can change any field details, like we are saying that 24 instead of 23. When we save that, it is get updated, details updated. So we are going to keep that details as it is. Fine. So this is how user can order their items. If he wants to search any specific items from the list, so he can click on that search bar and search for a product like AC. or a watch. When we say search for a laptop, so it will get listed all the laptops available there. This. So this is how user can play the things. And so we are going on to admin panel now. Admin has to pass credentials. Now we are to log in. So it is the same screen which is available there for the users, but the functionality is different because uh, yeah, admin cannot purchase a product from this, or there is no option to add to cart. Okay, so for that he can see the details of the item, and he can also see the reviews, or he can edit any product details. When we say that the price of the product raised to 66 67 instead of 66,000. So when we say that, yeah, now it will get updated accordingly, 67. Right. So if the admin doesn't require to show this item anymore, he can delete that item from this delete icon. Fine. So if the admin wants to see the report the by using a chart, he can do so by that dashboard. So it will show the total products available there, and these are the product details, and it will show a product by in stock. Sorry. It will show all the quantity by its stock, calculating the stock. So it is 8 Samsung or what LG, right? So it is showing 3 according to stock. So when we are moving on to order details, admin have authority that he can see all the orders that user had made previously. So he can print that report by using this print option there. He can simply click on that and save that report on to local drive. So, yeah, admin having also responsibility of adding authority of adding new product into that list, into that menu. So, clicking on that add product will it will get added. Fine. So these are the functionality that admin can do. Fine. So now we are going to see that how the user can communicate with the support team. On the right hand side upside corner, you can see a customer help support icon there. So when we click on that, it move. Fine. So if the user have any query, if the user doesn't find uh, any options there, he getting difficulties or finding details. So you can use a chatbot here, customer support chatbot. So when he says hi, so a chatbot replies that hi, what can we help you with? And and want a quick survey to solve your query. It will ask a question that to the user. So when we say yes, so it will ask email ID. We are entering our email ID, then it will ask, okay, select below options that you need to help with. So there are two options there: an item I ordered, manage my account. We are saying that an item I ordered previously. So it will ask question that option that track all the orders, or track order by ID. When we say track all the orders, so it will list out all the orders that we made previously. Yeah, like this it will show the list of the items that we made previously. When we say hi again and say that track order by id, when we say that your order id is 5, so it will show the item, show the order id details that Philips which we already made today. Okay, so it will show the date and the product name like this. So if we want another help, okay, when we say hi again, okay, so if the user wants to find any or he wants to manage account, so he can click on that manage my account. So it will get all the details from database, so and listed here. So do you want to update it? When we say yes, so it will list out all the steps that he needs to do in the application. So when we say again, so when sorry, we are going to save this email ID before moving ahead like this. Okay, fine. So for that, when we say want a quick survey to solve your query, if we say no, so it will ask about query. Tell me your query. And if we say uh, product I received is broken, I want to replace it, and the order ID is 5. So it will send this query to the support team email, and it will show thank you, your issue sent successfully to Elec shopping team. Our team will shortly contact you for the issue. Do you want any other queries? If we say yes, it will ask again the tell us your query. We don't have any other query, so I'm saying it to no. Okay, so it will giving option to rate our experience. Okay, we say 5. Thank you for feedback. So so this is how the user can communicate with the customer support. So thank you for watching this video.